Hey guys, what is up? Maidah here, the Drunken Chef, and welcome back to another episode of our cooking trips. Today I'm gonna show you one of my favorite comfort food. I'm really excited to show you how to cook this dish because guys, it is not just simple, quick and easy recipe, but I bet it's gonna be really delicious. So what are we waiting for, guys? Let's start our cooking trips. Alright, so first I've got this offcuts of my beef tenderloin. It's small, and so what we're going to do first is salt them. And add some peppers. Add some oil. Again, make sure your pan is really hot. Now steak straight into our pan. So in this kind of size, it will take you to cook each side for about 2 to 3 minutes. So now our steak is ready. We're just gonna set this aside and rest for about 5 minutes. So while our steak is resting, what I'm going to do is cook my eggs. Actually guys, before I cook my eggs, I almost forgot. I'm gonna have to do my sauce for my rice and steak. So I got soy sauce, roughly 1.5 tablespoon, half tablespoon of corn syrup. You can actually use brown sugar instead if you don't have the corn syrup, and half teaspoon of rice vinegar. Then splash of sesame oil. Then just mix it. So guys, my eggs is ready, my steak is ready. I'm just gonna have to cut my steak, and I've got a leftover rice from last night, so I'm gonna use it. Now our steak, we're just gonna cut them. Now it's time to set up our Japanese rice bowl. So guys, I call this dish egg steak or steak egg Japanese rice bowl. So first things first, we have to have our nori chips or crisp. Actually guys, this is optional. I just want the have a crunch on my rice, so it's just I'm gonna use some nori crisp just on the side like that, and then our steak, of course. Then we're gonna splash some of the sauce we made. And then I've got here horseradish sauce. I'm just gonna add some on top of the steak just to add flavor. This give a really like a wasabi flavor. So instead of using wasabi, I wanted to be different. So I'm adding some of the furikake on top of my rice and add them again after I put my mayonnaise. Again, I'm adding some furikake again. I really love furikake. Sorry guys, I'm gonna go hard on this. And then my spring onions. Then guys, I'm gonna add my poached egg just on the side like that. And then finally guys, I'm adding some bonito flakes just on the side right here. Could be in this side as well. Actually, I just want to put my egg on top like that. Am I in the middle? Can you check, please? Thank you. Yeah, am I in the middle? Yeah. I'm recording it, but I'm in the middle. Right? So, thank you. So there you have it guys, my comfort food, steak, egg and rice with nori chips and everything on it. So let's have a try. So look at my beef, it's perfectly cooked. Let's try. It's very tender, I love it. The combination of the ingredients is really good. It's well balanced. It's really good. This is perfect for brunch, lunch, and dinner. It's really good. I like the balance of the umami flavor and the soy sauce that I made, the sweetness. It's really good.